We are all packed up, ready to hit the road after almost 2 years of not being in Luna. I have mixed feelings. I have really excited feelings and I have nervous feelings because I haven't towed this thing in a long time. She hitched fine. All the tires are pumped up. We checked our lights. We checked our propane tank is off. Next step is to just drive. Kaika, are you excited?
We have arrived at our first destination, our first stop on our Canada exploration summer 2020, and this is the fun part. Huh? We're doing some teamwork here. We definitely need teamwork when it comes to backing up the Airstream into a spot. This one is like a pretty nice wide spot, but sometimes we get really narrow spots. Good job, Sia. Doing good, Sia. Getting pretty close. Whoa. Hold on. I don't want you to hit it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's good. Good job.
Did it. Hands are greasy.
That's okay. Good job.
Thanks.
Yeah, Liz, you're here. This is what the Airstream looks like once we've arrived at our destination. It's a little bit of a mess. We put a lot of stuff in the sink when we're driving, so it doesn't like end up all over the floor. This drawer needs to be fixed because it opened, and these drawers need to be fixed because we added the Kai's bunk. We took out the little latch at the bottom that used to be there to hold the drawers in place, so we had to take out our drawers. A lot of stuff goes on the bed too. The bathroom. And the front area.
Mommy,
Yeah?
come out.
I'm gonna, but I'm gonna make dinner first. Aren't you hungry?
Hey, Mommy,
Yeah?
Atlas.
You wanna pull Atlas? Like
Yeah.
okay, after dinner, okay? Favorite meal? You just put your whole hand in your mouth?
I'm gonna take my bite like Kai.
Yeah.
Like this.
Look.
Me, pasta.
I love it. Okay, I'll do it. Me too. It's like pie.
I'll get on your face too.
You love it?
Me,
Your request. It is so nice to be back on the road again, living in Luna and exploring more of our country and even more so our province. I've never been to Tobermory before, so I'm excited to be here. Kai is definitely excited too. And just to be on the beach, even though there's rules, new rules. Kai doesn't really care about those, but it's just nice to be here, surrounded by nature, playing in the lake and enjoying ourselves. This is the life. This is the life.
Ooh, first morning in Luna. That was an amazing sleep.
Amazing.
I had a great sleep. Did you have a great sleep?
I did.
Yeah.
I didn't want to get out of bed. It was so comfortable. And then we opened the window in the morning and just like hear the birds, and we're backed onto a forest. It's a beautiful forest. So nice. This is the life, man. This is it. That's why we're back.
Kai, that is a beautiful breakfast. Are you enjoying that?
Yeah, let's want some.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is currently our backyard. Good boy. You love it out here. Hey, you thrive out here.
Yep.
He's much more relaxed.
Yep.
We all need a little nature in our lives. Helps us be grounded and a lot more calm.
Clean water is so important, just as important, if not more, well, I'd say as important as the food we put in our bodies. And a lot of people, we don't think about that. So we got a Berkey, which is going to filter out all the like hard metals and pharmaceuticals and other junk that's in our water and fluoride, and it's going to give us nice, delicious, clean water. And we also bought additional minerals to put in the bottom of the Berkey so that we can add in the zinc, the potassium, the iron back into our water, which our body needs. And we're testing it out right now to make sure that the filters are working properly, and it's looking good. This is not a sponsored video by Berkey, although it should be, if you're listening, Berkey.
We put some red dye and water in here, and the red dye actually came with the Berkey so that we know it was like measured appropriately. Yeah, so that's extremely red. And if the red filters down, it means that they're not working. But it's looking clear. Yeah, so this is the bottom.
What are you spraying there, little one? Okay.
So this is going to go on top
Spraying here.
with our tap water, and then it'll be filtered out of there. We've used other filters before, and they work great, but what I like about the Berkey is that it's stainless steel, and light doesn't penetrate in. The other version that we had from Centevia was clear. It was plastic, so sunlight could penetrate into it. Okay.
That's pretty damn clear.
This is the water we poured in, and this is the water that came out. So it perfectly filtered everything out. Amazing! The one thing that Berkey doesn't do is they don't have something to add minerals back into the water. So we got these stones. This is from the company that makes the other water filter that we have. Still a great company and still makes amazing water. We were drinking that for the past, 2 years. And it's a little bit bigger than the Berkey. So we wanted something a little more slimline.
Explaining about water, yeah?
Yeah.
The system works where it takes out like all the stuff that's bad for us, like the heavy metals, the fluoride, the pharmaceuticals, all that stuff. It takes out that, but it leaves in the minerals that our body needs. But these additional minerals that we're adding, those rocks, are going to add even more minerals. So what I've read is Berkey, like, you don't get iron, you don't get potassium, I think you get magnesium, you don't get zinc as well. So these other additional minerals we're adding in are going to give us all of that. We're going to get zinc, potassium, magnesium, calcium, which is really important because in distilled or pure like spring water and stuff that they write on like plastic bottles, you're not getting those minerals your body needs, and then it starts leaching. It's called leaching. So your body is basically, the water is like taking out those minerals from your body that your body needs, and that can cause health problems in the long run. So you want to drink water that has minerals in it.
What I'm doing right now is adding those minerals back in. You have to wash them and boil them, and then you add them to the bottom chamber here, and then those minerals get added into the water and they fill your body with healthy minerals. It's pretty cool that humans are like part rock, part metal. We have iron in our bodies. I'm like a little bit of a robot. I think it's pretty cool. I think about weird things. We're really taking advantage of the upgrades that we've done to the space today. Kai took a nap in her bed for the first time, which was awesome. She was there for like an hour and a half. We were wondering how to block off Kai here, because if she moves a lot when she's sleeping. She does 180s, she crawls around, she's like delusional and moving non-stop. I realized that her ladder fits perfectly right here. Look at that!
I'm gonna draw this one first.
And I just tied this up so that it was like strong, just with a piece of rope. And she will not fall out of that now. I love multi-purpose items.
Especially in a small space.
Yeah, especially in a small space. And we can access down here a lot easier. So we can clean up her station while she sleeps. We haven't really shown you guys the updates we did to the washroom, but we installed this sink, and beforehand we had a sunken copper sink, and it was really small. It was probably like this big. And whenever we tried to like wash our faces, water would just go everywhere. And because this is barnwood, we, had to keep trying it, and it was very annoying. I was a little skeptical about this shower, if it was going to, do what it said and, cover your whole body with less water, and it actually works. And our shower time is being cut in half. Yesterday, Kristen and Kai were in here. How's your first shower?
It's good. Kai and I are in here together, and I'm just sitting on the bench with her. It feels really nice. Like, I like the shower head a lot because it's really wide. It covers a lot. You getting my face?
Kind of. No. Okay. I'm gonna go.
Okay, good luck.
Love you.
Love you. It'll be fine.
Woo. Bye, baby. Bye. Love you.
Later.
Love you. Later.
I love you.
Woo. No, I'm not gonna do it.
Bye
Oh, I gotta do it.
bye.